In this video, I will show you how to change your region in Valorant. So let's jump straight into it. First, what you're going to want to do is open up a new mobile browser and come across to google.com. Now, what you want to do is go ahead and type Riot Support into the Google search box and hit enter. From here, go ahead and select the top result, and that is support.riotgames.com. Next, what you want to do is just scroll down until you see Valorant. So you're going to see some different games, and what you want to do is get to Valorant and press onto the picture of Valorant. And then what you need to do next is scroll all the way down until you see the submit ticket button, so this red button here. Go ahead and press onto that. So from here, there's just going to be a quick form for you to fill out. So in the first section, you're going to see it says choose a request type. So what you want to do is press onto the box, and then you want to just scroll down a bit and press onto account management, data requests, or deletion. What it's going to do is just refresh the page with the correct form for you to complete. And if you're not signed in at this point, then go ahead and sign into your account. So what we're going to do is just go ahead and fill out this form. So in the subject box, you just want to put change region, and then in the description box, you just want to put basically the reason for why you want to change your region. So if you've moved, for example, region, or if you've accidentally selected the wrong region on sign up, so you just want to put something like, hey, please, can you change the region on my account from, and then you want to put what region you want to change it from, and then what region you want to change it to. And then just put the reason for why you want to change region. So because I accidentally selected the wrong region when I created my account. Thanks. Okay, and underneath, what you want to do where it says please select your inquiry, go ahead and click down onto the drop down box, and you want to select account management. Now what you want to do is enter your login name or your username into the next box, and then in the next drop down box, again it says please select your inquiry, but the options are going to be different. Now if you actually scroll down slightly, you're going to see it says need help changing region of residence, country assigned to account. So of course that's the option you're going to want to choose. Once that's done, just scroll all the way down to the bottom and you're going to see the red submit button. So what you want to do now is just submit this form, and what's going to happen is the support team is going to look into that for you and help you to change your region on Valorant. So I hope this quick tutorial helped you out today, and if it did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.